How to create education presentation on PowerPoint. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create education presentation easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to PowerPoint. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go to the top right here and click on presentations. Click on this little option right here, and now on this page go to category right here and choose education right here. It's the third one. Click on it, and now here you will find many education presentations. Choose the one that you want, for example this one, and click create. Now after you click create, you will be able to change those pages right here, change the text and everything. It's very easy to use, and good luck everyone. Thank you so much.